Mphathi ngicela nje ungibambele mphathi wami, ungibambele ngenze le introduction bese singena kuloko udaba lethu mphathi. Bahlali njengoba ke besinithembisile ke sizobe sixoxisana ke lapha yana ne-spokesperson sakhona ke la ekhaya esifundazweni saseMpumalanga esibuya lapha yana kwinhlangano iqembu iMK party uMr Aubrey Mtsweni esike saxoxisana ke naye before the election khona ke la kumsakazo iVoice of Pixley FM. Sikubingelele nje kuyo yonke ke indawo la usithamele khona mhlambe uyasilandela lapha on our page via uFacebook, mhlambe uyasilandela lapha on our live stream via uZeno FM, yonke ke indawo la usithamele khona on our YouTube channels. Ngaphandle nje kokumosha isikhathi besizocala ke ukuthi siyamukele umphathi wethu esingaye ke namhlanje. Mr Mtsweni kunjani?
Iyaphila kunjani mphathi omkhulu?
Siyaphila mphathi wami, waphinde wabuya futhi la ekhaya.
Nami abalaleli emakhaya.
Yeah, waphinde wabuya mphathi wami khona la ekhaya.
Break.
Azi noma uyangithola kahle manje?
Ya ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah, ngithi sike saba nawe la before the elections. Usophinde ke uyabuya futhi ke namhlanje uthi no man, ake sixoxe indaba weekend. Kunjani asikwamukele nje kahle mhlawumbe manje songithola kahle mphathi wami?
Ngiyakuthola kodwa ubaleka nje kancane mphathi omkhulu.
Nginjani manje mphathi? Yeah manje.
Iyabreak mphathi.
Ibaleka kuphi on your side?
Mina uyangilahlekela ngikuzwa.
But mina on my side you are very very clear mphathi wami, you are clear on my side.
Okay, asizameke angibingeli abalaleli emakhaya. Umsakazweni omuhle kakhulu iVoice of Pixley.
Yeah.
Ngiyanibingelela.
Sibonge mphathi wami, sibonge. Manje mphathi ikakhulukazi ikalawa abaphume bayovotela iMK party.
Yebo kakhulu.
Yes, baphuma ka abahlali bayovotela iMK party. But manje seyikhona la ngoba sikhuluma nawe spokesperson la ekhaya esifundazweni saseMpumalanga esayo umkhonto. Uzokwazi ukuthi usiphe umhlahlandlela nje ezintweni ezifew abahlali ngathi sebahamba babhekana nazo o bahamba bayazizwa. So sathi no, let's get umuntu relevant ofana nawe siphinde sixoxe le ndaba mphathi.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu kakhulu.
Yeah. No mhlonishwa la ngaphandle nje kokumosha isikhathi ake singene kulo udaba lethu. La mhlonishwa sizoqala ke sibuka iperformance yeMK party esifundazweni sakhona ke la ekhaya eMpumalanga. To name few nje ama subrate esibona kakhulu Lubela thole khona 34,423 votes with the contribution of 17%. Yalandelwa ke indawo yaseMkhondo with the contribution of 55%. Yalandelwa khona la ekhaya Dr Pixley ka Isakaseme with the contribution of 42%. Kungabe mhlambe ucomment nje kwakho mphathi before singene endabeni mayelana neperformance yomkhonto wesizwe kusifundazwe saseMpumalanga ungabe kuthini?
Yeah, ukubaluleke kakhulu ukubonga abahlali baseMpumalanga ukuthatha isikhathi sabo nokusipha indlebe nokubona sibalekile ezomkhonto wesizwe ukuthi basithembe amavote wabo. Yes. Akazi ngiyazwakala mphathi.
Ngikuzwa kahle mphathi wami, ngikuzwa kahle. Yes.
Ngithi sibonga kakhulu sizandla sidlula ikhanda. Siyabona ukuthi ngempela ama South Africans ikakhulukazi eMpumalanga bafuna ukubona ushintsho lwenzakala. Ake ngigcile kakhulu ngithi mina siyayibona kakhulu i-voter turnout ya ukuthi kahle ngoba si country abantu ngempela bafuna ukuveza amaphimbo wabo or bafuna ukuveza umbono wabo in terms of ezweni langakithi nasesifundazweni sangakithi.
Yeah, sibonga kakhulu nje
Yeah.
mphathi ukuthi undluliseke lokubonga nathi siyabonga mphathi ukuthi la kwibhazocela waphume behambe beyovotela ke iqembu le MK party. Mhlawumbe ke to look on the issue okuyi boiling issue and burning currently eMpumalanga, sizwile abanye bekhuluma kwezinye ke yeziteshi ezicommercial ezinkulu khona la eMpumalanga bekhombisa ke ukungagculiseki kahle ngama appointment akhona ke lapha ya ku MK party. Potaza akhala ngokuthi ke ngathi lapha kuma appointment azange ubaba uNcamalala avele kahle nge-clear vision ukuthi enziwe kanjani. Mhlawumbe ke njengawe as a spokesperson, mhlawumbe monganaba nje unabise mhlawumbe unabele nabalaleli emakhaya nama supporters MK ukuthi how are this appointment or avela kanjani?
Okay. Angibonge lethuba leli.
Yeah mphathi.
Basically bengithi ngisazogcila kakhulu ngokubonga amavoti athengena kulo daba lolu ongibuza ngalo manje.
Yes, yes.
Just ke kancane ngingene siyabonga lapha eMkhondo ivota turnout beyinhle.
Yes.
Nanoma abantu bebaregisterile bebabancane kakhulu, but kusho kona ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe uyathandwa kakhulu because we've received lapha almost yazisi kule subregion yaseMkhondo we've received more than 50%.
Yes.
So now it was more than 50% voter turnout. Then it tells you that sigamene si right kahle kahle abantu baseMpumalanga yonkana bafuna intuthuko. Bese ke kakhulukazi you know for the fact ukuthi nasehlanzeni population yasehlanzeni inkulu. Now check population yasehlanda inkulu kudlula kunabahlala abaningi khona ehlanzeni.
Yeah.
Bese kulandela base enkangala bese kulandela base Gatsibande.
Yes.
So now it tells you the voter turnout into esifuna ukuyigcizelela kakhulu kusemandleni wethu njengo MK ukuthi sibonge nokuthi sifuna ukusebenza kangcono ku government osenzansi ngoba insiza zincike ku government osenzansi, the local government of which siya ku local elections ngo-2026. Manje sifuna ukuthi sibe nezwi ekushintsheni i-constitution of the country nesekushintsheni ama-policies agavena abomasipala abangenzansi. So now njengo MK ku national sithole inhlalo eziwu58. So eMpumalanga sithole inhlalo eziwu9.
Yes.
So kusho kona ukuthi nathi asibancinyane nama-chairs inhlangano yethu ina only 6 months if I may put it. Kusho kona ukuthi ngenxa ye-mandate esinikezwa abantu bazosithemba kangcono ngo-2026 ku-local elections la sobe siyibheka khona ukuthi amanzi ayafika na lapha ku-radio station noma la sobe sibheka khona ukuthi ingabe i-load shedding i-affliction because abantu bazi day out.
Yes.
These are the things that we will want to make sure that abahlali bakithi eMpumalanga they get a proper service basizakale ngeinsiza.
Yeah.
Ake kulo daba lolo olushisayo lolu olubona kuma media platform to amakhomuni ngifuna ukucala ngokunisha ngoba anyone sika decide ukuthi ahamba ku radio station okhuluma nganalo igunya.
Yes.
The elinye iphutha elenziwayo ukuthi yabona nangibhala i-letter if ever ngibhala i-letter ngi-addressa kuwe.
Yes.
Angi-addresse kuwe owazi ngodaba lami kuwe. Kungabi yonke iSouth Africa yonkana kubehave ngazuthi iSouth Africa ayikho happy ngento mina engekho happy ngayo.
Yes, iyezwakala.
When I address a letter, I must address it to you.
Yes.
Wait for your response.
Yes.
Angingamelanga ngi-Bluetooth or either ngibizana lento le nawungana data akumelanga ngo-hotspot my virtual tendency. It's something that we are not going to condone because the tendency of saying that if I'm not happy noma uma ngingajabulile ngezinto ezenzakalayo kumele ngenze sure ukuthi umakhelwane usympathize nami or uhambisana nami singajabuli sobabili.
Yes.
Into kumele sizame ukuthi sizigweme lezo. Ake ngichaze nje further nge-issue yama-appointment.
Yes.
Uphathi
Yes.
and ubaba uNcamalala uke wamention ukuthi asizukuya kukomfa manje.
Yes kunjalo.
Kuzoba nabantu abomjaphethe ngezindebele the interim people.
Yes.
That will be leading us.
Yes, okay.
So now kuse kakhulu at most nase ngijwayele ngicommanda ama-forces kunokuba nzima ukuthi nase ngisusiwe kule interim position le ngiyo ngamukele.
Iyezwakala.
Angisho ukuthi laba abasusiwe abamukeli, but therefore kunalaba abangijwayele kakhulu ababona ukuthi baseduze nami, ababona ukuthi bezwa mina kangcono. So nakwe omunye umuntu babona ngazuthi angeke bazwe kangcono ngoba sokungena omunye umuntu.
Iyezwakala.
It's an African tendency ehlezi khona ku different organization. Ake ngiveze la ubaba uNcamalala uke wayi-announce ngeyi-16 zika December ngo-2023.
Yes.
Ngiyacabanga ukuthi nami bengihleli nje mhlawumbe njengoba uyi-16 bokuyisikhathi sokujabula, but I took time ukuthi ngilalele emotweni bengihamba ngayo.
Yes.
Ngithe naka-announcer nami ngajabula ngathi hayi man, nali ikhaya engizofikela kilo ngeyi-17 ngawujoin umkhonto.
Iyezwakala.
So now ngeyi-17 lapho there was no one bekacokiwe. No one was given a responsibility of leading inhlangano yomkhonto wesizwe party.
Yes.
Athe nawahamba amalanga, people around Mpumalanga babonile basondele enkandla bosho ukuthi hayi man, lento oyivezayo baba sihamba nawe. Because bongeke kubonakala ubaba bongeke abone ukuthi kunabalandeli abakhona if ever azange kusuka abantu bahambe basondele lapha ekhaya lasenkandla.
Yeah.
Angibaleke umama uMary Phadi was one of the people ebashona enkandla ngazo yi-17 nange-18. Bozwa kahle ukuthi ubaba nakathi yena umember we-ANC ngapha uyovotela u-MK Party kahle uthini.
Yes.
So now khona nabo pro cause okhona lapha eGersibande.
Yes.
I can name few comrades I remember ukuthi bebakhona nabaya ekhaya.
Yes.
Lapha kubaba.
Ubanduli wayekhona was part of that. Yeah.
Yes. Few days later ubaba wavele waxoka wathi okay azange kube ubaba. Khuluma ubaba uJabulani Khumalo lo ongase seyimember ka-MK.
Yes.
Wakhuluma nawo amazwi wathi pro cause uzosicoordinatela iMpumalanga.
Yes.
Nani ma comrades bonani ukuthi ni-coordinator kanjani.
Yes.
Pro cause he ran and wa coordinator iMpumalanga. That's
Yes.
why nawukhumbula kahle ngeyi-6 zika January sabane ikhondo yaseMpumalanga. That was a first event. Saba very lucky njengomkhonto wesizwe njengeMpumalanga ukuthi sibe ne first event esemkhonto la uNcamalala la khona. It was conducted by uComrade uPro.
Yes, yes.
nobaba uButi Mnisi ewaziwa ngosigemegeme.
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. So now, few days, just before event yasemkhondo, kwayiwa eSoweto. Yes. Khumbula uMK Party uke waba nobudlelwane ne Triple AM, All Alliances, All Alliances.
Yes, I remember. I remember.
Yes,
There was a
la
program eWitbank as well. Yayine Triple AM. La sasivakashele khona ubaba uJabulani Khumalo. I was there.
yeah,
Yes, yes.
yeah, but to lie Triple AM, they were the first people announcer. They were first organization announcer ukuthi bahamba nomkhonto wesizwe party.
Yes.
Khumbula
Yes.
iTriple AM beyibize ubaba uMkhweng
Yes.
as their president, as their presidential candidate.
Yes.
Bathi
Yes.
bona angeke basangenela amakhetho njenge-Triple AM. They are running behind umkhonto wesizwe. So now ku-Triple AM ngaleso sikhathi kwa announce ubaba uThafu Mdluli. Ubaba uNcamalala bekakhona lapho. Naba announce ama coordinators nama conveners wama provinces ngokuhlukahlukana kwawo. Kwabizwa igama laka baba uThafu Mdluli, kwabizwa igama laka baba uCharles uSikhwameni wakaNkuna. Charles beka ucoordinator, ubaba uThafu Mdluli beka iconvener.
Yes. Yes.
Ubaba uMhlolozi into wayi-emphasize wathi kuzoba kuma coordinators akube nesoja.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So now nasiya emkhondo ubaba uJabulani uKhumalo wafika wa-announcer igama wathi la asazi omunye umuntu, sazi uPro.
Yes.
Yes. Yabanga ingculaza, yabanga inkinga ke leyo announcement yakaJabulani. Ngeba lapha ku weekend yakhona lebe sibuya kiyo bokuceda ku-announcewa ubaba uThafu Mdluli no Procosa. No, I mean, as coordinator.
Yes.
So uJabulani uveza ubaba uProcosa uthi uProcosa ucoordinator waseMpumalanga akekho omunye umuntu. Ngiyakhumbula kwaba buhlungu, kwaba very tense. Few days after that, few of us we went to eNkandla to ukuthi akante kahle lento.
Yes.
Ukuthi kwenzekani ukuthi why ubaba uJabulani announce uPro kanti sokuno Thafu Mdluli noSikhwameni, ubaba uSikhwameni na. I-respond yakhona sayithola amalanga asondela. Sithola amalanga la Aaron berwa event beyise emathafeni eHlanzeni.
Yeah.
The event le preparewa few days before kuleyo event leyo. There was a letter eyaphuma inobabu uGamede as uconvener. So seba u3 labantu.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Le yaka comrade uPro ayinakwa ngaleso sikhathi leso. Comrade Pro naye uworried ukuthi mara mina abangitshelanga ukuthi angisahlali, angisese ucoordinator. Mina ngocoordinator weprovince. So kunamanye amagama u3, so kungena ubaba uGamede, kungena ubaba uGeneral Thafu Mdluli, kungena uCommander Sikhwameni, coordinators of the province.
Yes.
Sigijimeke ngaloko okwenzakalayo, siqhubeke sihambe ngalamagama lawo ayi3. uPro usese ku space ungakatshelwanga, usese worried to Comrade Pro ukuthi nama ngitshelwanga ukuthi angisi ucoordinator phela. Nasisuka emathafeni kwenzeke ukuthi sibe nomunye umhlangano.
Yes.
Nasiba nomhlangano sifuna ukubuza ukuthi kahle uba no coordinator. Hayi cha, so uba
yes.
seka ukhuluma. So above all, just to cut the matter
short, yeah.
the matter short,
Yeah.
Ubabu Gamete led that process. Upro was still not being cleared, but they are clear ukuthi no, Ubabu Gamete uconvener, Ubabu Uskwameni coordinator.
Yes.
Up until kwafinyelela isikhathi sama sesiqala ukungena kuma campaign.
Yes.
La bathi structures ayama sibheka, we are not having political structures, we are looking at the elections now.
Yes.
Wa appointwa ke ama elections managers. The unfortunate part is that Ubabu Gamete naye ube appointe ama elections managers esayidini lakhe. National naye appointa on behalf of the province. Kwaba ileyo confusion, but nevertheless we continued. Saqhubeka ngalendlela le ukuthi i-national appointe elections managers, elections coordinators, elections organizer.
Yes.
Just before ku-appointwa lama elections organizer, Ubabu Gamete appointed uMamu Mary Phade ukuthi abe organizer provincial. Ile time sesigena kulaba indaba yama elections.
Yes.
Wathi akusizwe wonke, awamiswe wonke ama structures politically ne recruitment, so dila ngendaba yama campaign manje. The time so introduce uSibusiso from national abe uSibusiso elections manager, uSibusiso Khumalo.
Yes.
Elections organizer uSphiwe Mathebula waba elections coordinator. uSphiwe kakhuluma kugwala waba elections coordinator.
Yes.
So sihamba kuma elections ngaleyo nto le, ngaleyo ndlela le. So now the unfortunate part was that Ubabu Gamete began the structure sakhe sama elections the other side. So siya kuma elections nga two yama team. Yile thamba ibiza ngalento le bathi parallel, esingayazi ukuthi parallel ibuya kuphi.
Exactly.
Ngathi yama team run ama elections ngapha kuBabu Gamete, ngapha ama elections wa national. Sathi asinga debate lezi zinto, asiqhubeni ama elections, singakwatisi abahlali bakithi.
Yes. Ungamkile mphathi usasekhona?
Ngisesekhona?
Yeah, sawukhona mphathi, bongamkile nje kancane mphathi wami.
Yeah, I think mhlambe khona icall beyifuna ungihlukumeza.
Yeah. Bathi so yakhuluma.
Ubona ngisekhona?
Yeah, usasekhona.
Yeah, ingakho bowubona njengalapha ePixley bokuna two formations, abanye bathi siya la, abanye bathi siya la. Ilento yama elections, the provincial elections managers or provincial elections team.
Yes.
So to run the story short, up until now Ubabu Ncamalala emalahleni nas national rally yokuvala ama elections, uye wafika wachaza wathi ngizoxoka lento ngiyenzile nase KZN, I quote, ngikhuluma ngathi khuluma ubaba ke nangithi I quote.
Yes.
Lento ngiyenzile nase KZN nakwamanye ama province, ngila eMpumalanga ngizoyenza.
Yes.
Ngizoxoka PTT okuyi presidential task team.
Yes.
The presidential task team responsibility yami abantu abareporta abantu abangaziphathi kahle kuma province ahlukahlukene. Wamalanga ngizoyiqoka.
Yes.
Into ayikhulumile uBaba uNcamalala. So now ingakho akhiphe a few days after nasiqeda task wakhipha le list ye PTT lena uBaba uSphiwe Mathebula khala ngayo la eDo State.
Yes.
So ngamagama uphikisana noBaba uNcamalala, of which uBaba uNcamalala decided to appoint iPTT yakhe yena, of which akekho umuntu ongenayo onolwazi ukuthi uBaba u-informwe yini ukuthi a-appointe labantu laba ba-appointiwe laba be-presidential task team.
yes.
Kunalento le ukuthi mhlawumbe ama-members ahlanganisa izinto ezingahlangani. Presidential task team yi-responsibility kababa uNcamalala uMsholozi.
Yeah.
Ngisesekhona mphathi?
Ukhona, yeah.
U-acting secretary general womkhonto wesizwe letters appointment ye-convener athe siqedile ngama-elections.
Yes.
Wakhipha iletter nge-1 zikaJune, wakhipha iletter ye-convener okuwumama uMary Phadi.
Yes, iyezwakala siyibonile iletter
uzoconvener politically iMpumalanga.
Yes.
Kwaphuma neletter yaka comrade uDanny Nhlapo ukuthi uzoba u-coordinator.
Yes.
So now iphuma le letter kuphuma kunama letter aphumayo, iletter iphumayo ukuthi babu uGamede siyabonga ukuthi usebenzele babu Sikhwameni Charles Nkuna siyabonga ukuthi usebenzele up until this far.
Yes.
So iMpumalanga sinama i-convener no-coordinator omusha. It is the jurisdiction ye-convener no-coordinator ukuthi bahlela njani ukuthi kusebenzeke eMpumalanga. Ngamanye amagama they must be able to get people abazobasiza la eMpumalanga.
Yes.
So Mpumalanga i-team yakhona, the working team, the PTT or the working team, provincial working team, uMama Mary Phadi ukhona.
Yes.
Phecelezi ngathi u-chairperson, but asu-chairperson uconvene umhlanganisi.
Yes, iyezwakala.
Yebo. Bese ke u-coordinator ubaba uDanny Nhlapo wakhona lapha eGersibande, uDanny Nhlapo as umdibanisi u-coordinator.
Yes.
Bese kuno deputy coordinator uRodney Mnisi waseHlanzeni.
Yes.
Bese kuno organizer umama uThulisile Makena wase Nkangala.
Iyezwakala mphathi.
Bese kuno finance officer ubaba uVusmotha uzigemegeme.
Yes.
Finance officer u-treasurer wilo uzosidibanela nabantu abazosixhasa.
Yes.
Bese kuba nami as u-spokesperson weprofina kwake amagatsha wanginominate amagatsha.
Yes.
So naseba sengiya endorse wakhe. Bese kuba no elector oku uSibusiso Khumalo. Yes. So now i-team lena ingithi provincial working committee. So nalo meeting u-coordinator has appointed abaholi kuma regions. Sina 3 ama region, iGersibande, Inkangala, bese kuba iHlanzeni.
Yes.
eGersibande iconvener wakhona ubaba uSifiso Zulu.
Yes.
Uconvener waseGersibande. eGersibande uMlambo.
Yes.
Coordinate Sibande. Izoxoka abaholi basemagatsheni, abaholi bakuma sub region.
Yeah.
Yi-jurisdiction yabo as uSifiso nobabu Isa Mlambo ukuthi bakhethe bazothola u-treasurer noma u-finance officer we-region waseGersibande. Kusemandleni wabo kuthole u-organizer waseGersibande we-region.
Yes.
Bese nangiya eNkangala ihamba ngaleyo ndlela leyo. iNkangala uconvener wakhona ubaba uMia Sifenyane.
Yes.
Bese ucoordinator ubaba uNorman Muhapi.
Yes.
Nabo bazoyenza ngale ndlela le kuze kube ne-regional working committee or regional working structure.
iyezwakala
kuze
mphathi.
ukuthi sigijimele siyele kuma-elections singcono sinamaster before beyisuka ku-province ivele igidagide ishone straight ku-VD. It was just having certain loopholes. So now kuzama ukuthi silungise ngokuhlalisa i-organization ibe nendlela ne-direction. Bese ehlanzeni kunobaba uplastic sithole mamazi babu uhamba uzobuya.
Yes.
Uhamba uzobuya. Yeah, uconvener wasehlanzeni.
Yes.
Ucoordinator wakhe ubaba uJabulani Likhuleni. So now into engizama ukuyiveza ukuthi abantu nabanama grievances.
Yes.
These are the challenges they are creating. Mhlawumbe SG uke lapha eVD yami or ebranchini ngibhalela uSG nakhona ilungelo lami, but kuhle ukuthi i-protocol si-observe. Nangine grievance ngise Hersibande, ngise Governing Mbeki or ngise Pixie Kaseme.
Yes.
By through the office yaka coordinator ubaba uIsamlambo.
Iyezwakala.
Nakangilalela uIsamlambo ngithi baba uSifiso Zulu ubaba uIsamlambo ngimbhalele nayi incwadi akangiphendulanga. Failure to do so nabangamnaki labantu laba uya straight kubaba uDanny Enhlapo njengo coordinator weprovince. Nazi ikhalo zami njengami ngihlala ngisepixi isakaseme ngizamile ukuthi ngithole uconvener uSifiso Zulu ngathola uIsamlambo coordinator weregion abangilalelanga ngicela ukuthi unginake ke mina ke baba uDanny njengo coordinator weprovince. Failure abantu abangakunaki kulama SG we organization bese uSG lapho soyasiceba ukuthi hayi man le committee yakho le ayinginakanga ngathi thatha ihlangothi elithize angeke usukeleke sobhalela ubaba uMhlolozi.
Yeah.
So isicelo nje esishoyo esiyayo nje kuma members we-MK nabalandeli be-MK laba banama grievances abalandela ama channels akekho zovalela umnyango. Yabona une trace nakhona ukutrace ukuthi ngimbhalele ubaba uSifiso Zulu noma uComrade Sifiso Zulu noma uComrade uIsamlambo akanginakanga. Ngaya kuComrade uDanny Nhlapo akanginakanga. Ngaya kuComrade uMedipade uMeripade akanginakanga naye. Ngiya kuSG une right ukuya lapha enkandla kubaba uma eminyango uthi nayi trace yami nangimbhalelile nalo ngambhalela nalo ngambhale na up until ngifika la ngilethwa nazi inkinga. Manje inkinga ukuthi abantu bakithi abafuna ukholwa and angeke sibe inhlangano ene direction la singafuna ukholwa. Isicelo ke sokuthi istructure sikhona asilandelana imigomo accordingly.
Yes.
Kuze ukuthi izikhalo zethu ziphelwe attention. Ngiyacabanga ngingene kakhulu emphathi omkhulu.
Yeah, no, ungene kakhulu mphathi sibonge nje futhi ukuthi the clarity. No, there is now a political structure that was elected by ubaba Msholozi that is operating eMpumalanga and wacela futhi ukuthi ama supporter kube yiba abantu ekumele enze. Umbuzo uzovela uthi naku ke thina siyi Dr Pixley ka Isakaseme with i contribution of 42%. Kungabeke kuzoba namaphi mhlambe ama commitment because currently now iphumile incwadi yaveza ukuthi sinalo ke ilunga eliappointiwe provincially but sesiyabuka ama structure ke ayehla mhlambe okuyiyo ke into eseletha ke this confusion ukuthi thina ke singabahlali or singama supporters eMK sesifika kanjani lapha ukuthi nathi ke si recognize. So umbuzo nje uzoba simple ukuthi iseme kungabe amathuba akhona yini ukuthi nathi sibe represented lapha esifundazweni saseMpumalanga mhlawumbe legislator.
Njenge Pixley.
Yes, CPix. Yes, CPix.
Yabo uncamuka. Ngibeke ngalendlela le. Khumbula ke la besibuya kiwo ama national provincial election.
Yes.
So now lapho akubi specifically i-sub-region ethize.
yes
Akucontest i-Pix liyodwa or akucontest umkhondo uwodwa or akucontest i-governing
Mbeki
yodwa.
yodwa yes
Nanoma angenze nje ngikhulume ngazi ukuthi angihlakaniphanga. Nanoma i-governing Mbeki
yeah
beyingahlala ingavoti, ama-elections bewazochubeka
yes
ngoba ama-national elections.
yes
Nanoma inkangala yonkana, inkangala region beyingahlala ingavoti noma iHersiband ihlala ithi hayi siye emavotini thina,
yes
ama-elections bewazochubeka because bokama-national and provincial elections.
election yes
So kunamagama wohlwi abantu abafakiwe ukose bo representa umbono womkhonto wesizwe or the vision or the policies of umkhonto wesizwe ku National Assembly na ku national provincial legislature.
yes that's
Kuze kuthi no lama policies we MK akhona ukungena kubo masipala esihlala kibo.
yes
Shall na elections kakhulukazi sivotela kuze ukuthi sichintshe ama policies noma sichintshe indlela asebenza ngayo. Sinamandla ukushintsha i-constitution ye-country,
yes
sinamandla wokushintsha any other whether i-NPA nasifike court nangabe ecourt siyabona ukuthi abantu abamnyama bayacindezeleka at most. Sifuna ukuchintsha i-certain policy yase court. Ingakho besivota national.
yes
Ingakho besivota national, ingakho besivota provincial. So sivotela ukuthi umshaya isithetho waseMpumalanga ube nezwi labantu laba ba-affiliate umkhonto wesizwe. Now join noma nawuvotela umkhonto wesizwe awuvoteli u-Aubrey Mthweni.
yes
Noma awuvoteli uvotela the policies the organization leyo.
yes
Kuthi no lama policies lawa ngiyawezwa ayazwakala, ngiyapolisi esingalida ngawo i-country or singalida ngawo i-province.
yes mhlambe la mphathi embuzweni wami mhlambe azange ungithole kahle because vele these were national and provincial and regional elections ne ama-ballot bewamathathu mphathi wami. So umbuzo wami is based ekutheni na i-Dr. Pix lika Isaka Seme with the contribution of 42% kuyo lama-ballot wamathathu with that contribution sekuthini then lezimvu ezilayiseme ubani ekumele zibuke kuye so that zizoqala zi-organize according to le ndlela oyishilo ukuthi sesipreparele u-22. Was my question basically.
Okay, angiyicacise-ke lena-ke mphathi omkhulu.
Yes.
Nazithi ama-ballot papers bewawu-3. Yes, kula abantu abaningi bayilahla khona. Angenze so.
Yeah.
It was only it's a nation.
Azokala ngisasenawo mphathi.
Bengilahleka.
Mphathi wami.
Yo. Hello?
You are audible ngapha you are loud gently. Yeah.
Thanks, my apology.
Yeah.
Yeah, the regional ballot paper before now ngakhumbula bewawu-2.
Yes.
Lama ballot.
Yes.
We national and provincial.
Yes.
So now this is that beyibizwa nge-National Council of Provinces.
Yes.
I-NCOP yiyo le regional. Ngamanye amagama abantu abasuka esifundazweni saseMpumalanga abayongena kusishaya mthetho sase national.
Yes.
Now uhlukanisa i-National Assembly. I-National Assembly yonke ina 400 seats.
Yes.
Bese le bayibiza nge-regional ina 200. So i-National Assembly ina 200, i-regional, le National Council of Provinces ina 200. That's why zo2 zenza 400 seats.
Yes.
Thethe i-NCOP le ebathi regional.
Yes.
Before bokwenzeka kanje. Boku i-province yonke akunandaba ukuthi ingakama party.
Yes.
Angenela ukhetho.
Yes.
So na i-province yonke ngayonkana beyikhipha 10 yabantu abameli isifunda Mpumalanga.
Yes.
Bayohlala ku the NCOP. Beyina 90 ama seat before.
Yes.
Kusho ukuthi njengoba sina 9 ama provinces 10. Kula ku discusswa lento yabo kunalento bayibiza ngescopa lana ngabo kuno masipala ongenzi izinto kahle nakose ngithini ahlengwe lo masipala noma lo masipala nangabe kumele investigate bayibisa ku scopa iscopa besihlala ku National Council of Provinces
Iyezwakala mphathi.
la kugunyazwa ezinye zezinto. So it's not a region in no. It's still the National Assembly, but by representa ama provinces.
Yeah.
Ku National Assembly. Yeah, angibeke ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Imela izifundazwe ku National Assembly. That's why about the regional ballot.
Yeah. Lapha kulama appointment enwakhiphile mphathi as spokesperson sakhona la isifundazweni saseMpumalanga engizama ukukuveza ukuthi la ePixley likhona igama elivelile ukuthi no kunegama leli but i-nomination it's provincial. Now the problem esibhekene nayo or abahlali ababhekene nayo kakhulu abayixoxayo nje futhi nalapha ku platform yethu ukuthi then bona who they must look up to so that bazokwazi ukuthi nabo baqale bayorganize. Yabona ngiyacabanga ukuthi kuyisikhathi sokuthi kufonywe ama branches as you were saying, but who do they report to? Because ekuqaleni bekunala amagama awu2 ukuthi kunobaba uGamede, some were reporting there, some were reporting there. So now sesifuna ukuthi sibe nalo muntu o specific that they must report to. I think mhlawumbe umbuzo wami bowulapho so that kuzoba clear ukuthi now all the reports must go there. I directive kumele iqhamuke lapha yehleke ize kumasebe.
Okay.
Yeah.
Njengoba eHersibande yonkana.
Yes.
Kunosifiso Zulu.
Yes.
Nobabu Isamlam.
Yes.
Very soon kumele ba appointe ama sub-regional coordinators and conveners.
Yes.
Yes. So now abahlali noma amalandeli noma amalunga womkhonto wesizwe ase Pixley anelungelo manje ukuthi bakhona ukufonela nama amadoda amabili ukuthi ni appointa nini abaholi bethu kule ndawo lesihlala kiyo.
Yes.
Kuze ukuthi izindlela zethu zihambe kahle. Angazi ukuthi bengiphendula kahle lo mbuzo loyo na.
Yeah, no.
Bazo appointa very soon.
Yeah, ngikuzwa kahle mawuthi bazo appointa very soon, but the challenge on the ground I criteria abayisebenzisayo to appoint, because we cannot shy away ukuthi baningi abantu bebasebenzela umkhonto running the campaigns, be visible and all that. Sometimes inokubuya ngathi ayisekho fair mase kuvele kuqhamuka iappointment. Yabona manje uthi bazo appointa very soon, but which criteria? Ngabe bazoze Pixley? Ngabe bazokwenza njani? Yipi indlela abazoyisebenzisa? That's the question on the ground. Eyinkinga njengamanje.
Yeah. I think for them ukuthi kube lula ukuthi kuyomele beze ePixley ngoba no coordinator unenhlelo une program yokuvakashela onke ama sub-region awu 17 eMpumalanga.
Yes.
Une program ukuthi akawavakashela u-provincial coordinator. So now i-plan yabo ukuthi bo appointa kanjani. Above all mphathi wami banga appointa mina sometimes mhlawumbe uye wangikwatisa wangithathela intombi ngingafuni ukuthi ube i-coordinator.
Yes, yes,
More kunama personal vendettas.
yes,
But mina isicelo sami sekutheni umuntu nangabe bekasebenza uzo appointwa ukuze asize leyo sub-region leyo. Ake ngenze example kunomfo manje oyi-regional convener senkangala uMiyas
yes,
Fenyane.
yes,
That guy was even kidnapped. Babona ngathi udisturba imalahleni yonkana.
yes,
Manje is appointed as a convener ye region.
yes,
Ukhombisa ukuthi umuntu was dedicated kangakanani. So now ngiyawazi ama-comrade amaningi wase-Isa wase-Prixie Isakaseme.
yes,
Akhona active bakhona laba bebasebenza against. But nevertheless, i-Prixie Isakaseme, it's one of the priority sub-region,
yes,
equal to Imkhonto. Why am I saying that?
yes.
Because the voter turnout.
Yes,
So now
that's the contribution I'm talking about. That 42% Pixley produced. Ilandele umkhondo after. Yes, yes.
ngizwe ukuthi ngithini, ngizwe ukuthi ngiyakuphi.
Yes.
Kusekutheni we have noticed that i-Pixley Isakaseme, that sub-region on its own izowela under umkhonto wesizwe.
Yeah.
Nasiphatha kahle.
Yeah.
So that's why it's one of our priorities,
Yes.
together with the Imkhonto, because kumbula abantu bakithi bafuna i-service delivery. I-service deliveries ayikho e-provincial legislature, no.
Yes, yes.
Ayikho ku-national legislature.
Yes.
It's basically ku-local
Government. Yes, yes, yes.
la sibona khona amabhaki se-Pixley Isakaseme adlula laphana ipipe libhobokile. So these are the things that we want to deal with, to bring back the trust and hope of our black majority, of our black people in particular.
Yes.
So now yilakho ngithi mina i-Pixley Imkhonto, they are more of a priority, because ama-chances ukuthi MK igoverne labo masipala labo aseduze akhona. So angeke sishaye indiva si-ignore Imkhonto, angeke sishaye indiva si-ignore i-Pixley Isakaseme. Will be doing wrong. So definitely i-Pixley will be there in numbers. That's why Gogue, I wanted to be there.
Yes,
Ngikhumbula ngishilo
yes,
ngithi ngifunda la.
yes, yes, yes,
Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi ibaluleke kangakanani i-Pixley.
yes, yes.
And definitely identifying leaders isekutheni ukuthi ubone ukuthi lo muntu lo ubhaje kangakanani. Nangithi ubhajile ngikhuluma ilanguage yes-comrade.
Yeah.
Ubhadlile engqondweni ukuthi lo comrade lo nanoma kunama-dispute, nanoma kunama-grievances,
Yes.
akathathi side, akathi ngenxa yokuthi uzibanibani uyinikeze na imali therefore ngihamba naye. Ucomrade lo naka represent abantu abahlali bakhe, or represent abantu abahlali bakhe. So now as a new party, these are the things that we want to do and identify comrades there and there. Even myself, I was identified while I was sitting there.
Yes, yes.
Ngenxa ukuthi I've displayed my skills la kumele ngis-display khona, then I was picked off at there's Comrade Opri there. Can I tell you more? I've started ngento yama elections. Nginga appointwanga in any, because of assisting the revolution, because now let izinto zama door to door utayima nasenze so uyakhombisa ukuthi this person above all ukhathalela inhlangana kiyo. So now this is what we want to do in identifying comrades in different places.
Iyezwakala mphathi wami, sibonge man, we are almost sesihlanganise i-hour sikhuluma la us-unpackhela ukuthi yini mhlawumbe ke abahlali baseMpumalanga ekumele bayilindele manje moving forward, because umuntu uyadibana nje naye uyihambela, hawu umsakazi kunjani, umsakazi sivotile but sisanenkinga lapha ukuthi what is the way forward. So nathi ke somsakazo sathi no ake siphumele sikuthole as a spokesperson, and then bese sekunenye issue engifuna mhlambe utouche kuyo, this issue of letters. Ngibonile kwayenza announcement about these letters. Mhlambe ungabaqwashisa uthini abalandeli ama volunteers MK?
Yeah, ngempela nalento ihambisana nalento ukuthi abantu bahambe bokukhuluma nama radio stations or bahambe bokukhuluma on behalf of the MK. It's a wrong tendency. That's why ngisho ukuthi mina nangine if I'm aggrieved angilandele umgomo. Kuze ukuthi nangabe akangilalelanga lo nalo akangilalelanga ngisukile kulo ngaya kulo nalo akangilalelanga ngasuka kulo ngaya kulo labantu abangilaleli kula ngiyakhona ku upper policy or ku upper structure or upper office. Ngifike ngithi ngile kubo bonke labantu akekho ngisizayo than ukujudge umuntu anga
ulahlekile ke lapho mphathi wami ungilahlekele kancane.
Trying to move better signal isho njalo yami phone.
Right manje. Yes
ngithi mina lama letters they serve no purpose because you can tell with ama letter lawa I see ama letter genuine. Ama letter athi asifuna uObri sengakasebenzanga kule portfolio akiyo so aggrieved wena ayilethi isense leyo. Rather give a person a space. Give a person a space. Then person uyasho ukuthi hayi man uObri la akasebenzanga so ngicela ukuthi a recordwe wenza amaphutha la ungathi na ulele uphuphe uObri kunyathela bozwane bese soya kubhala ilethe extend uObri uye wadibana naye wakuncisha iphayi emall so bhala iletha uthi hey lo muntu lo angeke akasi right. No it's totally unacceptable. And I've seen one letter ithi uComrade uMary Phade akaza sebenza buya ngokutshele that woman has worked tirelessly. She worked in order to develop abanye abantu in joining umkhonto wesizwe. That's why earlier on ngichazile ngathi abanye they were taken by yena uComrade uMary Phade to enkandla bangakazi baye enkandla.
Yes, I remember one night I had a meeting with the organization OMU le elwisana nale ndaba yase Palestine. Bafika, it was Comrade Taff Mdluli and Mam Mary Phade bapaka silapha e Total Garage. She was the one really convening most of the comrades to ubaba from la eMpumalanga.
Correct.
Yes.
So now angakwatiswa indlela zami ezinye bese ngithi lo muntu she's not suitable to lead. Ngiyacela nje ama comrade asimnikeni ithuba alide. Above all at most akaze kwalead umuntu wesifazane eMpumalanga.
Yes.
But uMpumalanga uchairperson.
Yes.
Akaze. Akaze you can go to your ANC or wherever. There's no one who a leader the political structure as a woman.
No, sibonge kakhulu mphathi, and we hope somsakazo ukuthi through you as a spokesperson you're going to convene for us ukuthi sikwazi ke la sizoba khona nawe ke live and direct usihambele ke or usilandele uconvener weprovince bese ke niza khona ngapha ekhaya so we can have the interview. Maybe ke sizo invite a few of the comrades on the ground MK ukuthi mhlambe niwaclarifyele izinto ezithile. For now nje sithanda ukuthi sikubonge mhlambe ke sesizovala nje awakho ukugcina ongawandlulisela kumalunga omkhonto or the supporters of umkhonto wesizwe.
Thanks mphathi omkhulu. Ngibonge kakhulu ku Voice of Prickly.
Yes.
Bese ke ngokugcina ngifuna ukuthi ngicela abalandeli nama supporters nama members womkhonto wesizwe ahlukanise i-PTT, the PTT okuyi-Presidential Task Team le
yes
eyicokwe Msholozi.
yes
Abuye ahlukaniswe an appointment yaka acting Secretary General ubaba uSihle Ngubane.
yes
Leye yaka coordinator no convener. So
yes
now above all, let's fight more in order ukuthi i-country yethu noma i-province yethu isifundazwe sethu sibe isifundazwe esiba more recognized ekhipheni abaholi ababhadlile ekhanda. We believe
yeah
in abahlali baseMpumalanga, in particular abahlali base eGersibande. We believe kubahlali baseNkangala. We believe kubahlali baseHlanzeni. Let us speak in uniform. Once we speak in uniform, there's no division. There's something that I've heard today.
yeah
But a division is something that fights the vision.
yeah.
So now once you allow space to be divided, then you are compromising the vision. So now we must not be in a situation whereby we want to compromise vision yakaBaba uNcamalala ngama division esiwacreatayo thina on our own. I thank you, Commander.
Ngiyabonga mphathi wami mhlawumbe nje ukusika elijikayo usakhuluma ngendaba yama list. Everyone is confused now. Nawe nje usanda kusitshela namhlanje ukuthi ubaba uKhumalo akasekho and then the IEC release a list. Ubaba uKhumalo mhlawumbe number 1 on the list. Leyo mhlawumbe njengomuntu wena oseduzane obuye futhi abe isikhulumeli sayenhlangano la ekhaya esifundazwe saseMpumalanga kukhona yini okutholile ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani moving forward?
No, angisho phela iIC inendlela zayo zokuyirana. Khumbula i-compliance.
Yes.
Indaba zamalist, it's
Yes.
basically for i-compliance.
Yes.
Njengasesifundazweni sangakithi besina 30 yamasiti manje bawakhulise waba u51.
Yes.
Why about 51? I-population yaseMpumalanga si 5.1 million.
Yes.
So now they just making it over to that approach. So IEC nas comply sifaka abantu kuma list.
Yes, for compliance.
Bese
Yes.
yabathatha ibadlulisela kuma judge bese babaswena in. So
Yes.
once babaswena in, so kuyoba i-decision yeparty ukuthi uzibanibani uya withdraw lapha ngaziphi izathu.
Yes.
So now we are not given a space now to change list up until a further notice by the General Assembly or the assemblies or the legislature.
No. Asibonga kakhulu that was Aubrey Mtsweni oyisikhulumeli ke senhlangano ke iMK party khona la ekhaya ke thatha khona sibeka unpackela ukuthi since ke abantu bevotela umkhonto bethi bagwaza ngawo umkhonto what is the way forward ubalileke izinto eziningi engithembayo ukuthi we look up to since ke sizwile ukuthi asakhona amanye ama appointment asazokwehlela kuma sub regions waphinde futhi wasitshela ukuthi yibapha abantu ekumele kuxhunywane nabo ukuthi nithole ukuthi okay right lama appointment enziwa ndlela bani nathi ke somsakazo sizogijima sigijime kakhulu sizame ukuthi sithole even uconvener la speak to give direction so iloko ke besiniphathele kona ke namhlanje ku #sixoxindaba weekend mhlawumbe ke ngokuzayo ke siyobe sesiniphathele yena ku convener we province umama uMarie Phat sibonge nje ukuthi ukhethe thina ke somsakazo ukusakaza bukhoma kokuqala nqa la ekhaya ke Dr Pixley ka Isaka Seme sibonge nje kakhulu.